Hi, I'm Kamin and welcome to my website. I am passionate about helping small business owners, entrepreneurs, and those in corporate who have hit a bit of a plateau. They have recently discovered they are under earning. Their businesses aren't doing as well as they would like. And they have a sense that something is holding them back, but they don't know what it is. And they may even be unconsciously self-sabotaging their careers or their businesses. As a coach and a consultant, I work with highly motivated and committed individuals on an inner and outer approach to expanding their wealth and success in their lives and really transforming themselves to this new higher level. On the inner, we work on self-confidence, resiliency, identifying, owning, and applying their unique gifts and abilities in new and expanded ways. We also work on clearing limiting beliefs and blocks and blind spots that they may have that are really holding them back from the inside and really experiencing the kind of wealth and success that they'd like to experience. On the outer, we work on strategies that will lead to improved competencies, such as leadership development, team development. For those in business, we work on customer service and pricing and product strategies and marketing plans. For those in corporate, we work on their promotion strategies, and I review their performance reviews and even work on their own team development as well. And all of that coupled together leads to greater wealth and success. And clients have experienced doubling their businesses in 3 to 6 months. They have been able to finally give themselves raises and their staffs raises, the team development, and their teams are more committed to the vision of the business owner. With those in corporate, they've received promotions and raises in times when they said it was impossible. And again, their teams have improved, their communication has improved, or if they needed a new job, they've gotten that job, one that really fills them from the inside out. If anything that I have said has resonated with you, I would love to have a conversation with you and just explore whether working together would help you and support you in reaching your goals. So just contact me and we'll schedule an appointment. I wish you wealth and success.